Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender in black. If you're in the market for a blender that promises powerful performance, precise control, and a sleek design, this might just be the tool you're looking for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender features a powerful 300-watt motor designed to handle everything from delicate emulsions to tougher ingredients like ice or nuts. It boasts 9 speed levels, giving you precise control over your blending needs, plus a pulse function for those moments when you need an extra burst of power. One of its standout features is the ZWILLING Winglet blade, engineered for optimal cutting and mixing efficiency. Additionally, the bell-shaped design of the blender minimizes splashing and creates optimal circulation, ensuring smoother results and preventing suction. It's a thoughtful design aimed at making your blending experience as efficient and mess-free as possible. Plus, you get a 20-aughts BPA-free beaker, complete with a scale so you can measure your ingredients as you go. When it comes to real-world usage, I found the ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender to be surprisingly easy to set up and use. The motor is powerful, yet it doesn't feel like it's shaking or straining under pressure. Whether I was blending a smoothie or making a creamy soup, the motor performed consistently well. The 9-speed settings are intuitive, allowing me to adjust based on the ingredients I was working with. The pulse function, in particular, worked well for blending harder items like frozen fruit, giving a quick burst of power to break things down. The handle is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods without any discomfort. The bell shape did what it promised, minimizing splashes and ensuring that the ingredients circulated within the mixing head, which kept everything clean and tidy. However, when I tried blending some denser ingredients, the motor did slow down a bit, though it still managed to get the job done. It's important to note that while it's powerful for most tasks, it might not handle the toughest jobs as efficiently as some higher-end models. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the motor is more than adequate for everyday blending tasks, whether it's smoothies, soups, or sauces. The 9-speed settings and pulse function give you a lot of control, and the Winglet blade ensures smooth, even blending. The ergonomic design and anti-splash features are thoughtful touches, making this blender easy to use with minimal mess. The included 20-aughts BPA-free beaker is also a nice addition, making it easy to measure and blend in the same container. On the flip side, the motor, while solid, does show its limits when dealing with tougher ingredients. While it performs well with most tasks, I wouldn't recommend it for heavy-duty jobs like crushing large amounts of ice or making nut butters. Additionally, it's a bit more expensive than some other hand blenders in the market, which might make you pause if you're on a tighter budget. While the ergonomics are great, the weight of the blender could feel a little heavy if you're using it for extended periods, especially with thicker mixtures. When it comes to value for money, the ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender sits at a mid to high price point. While it offers great performance and solid features, there are cheaper alternatives that might perform similarly for everyday tasks. However, if you're looking for something that offers a little extra finesse, like the Winglet blade technology and the thoughtful anti-splash design, this might be a good choice. For those who want reliable performance and don't mind spending a little more for design and function, it's worth considering. If we compare this to other hand blenders in the market, the ZWILLING Enfinigy comes across as a more premium option, with features like the Winglet blade and anti-splash design that aren't as common in more affordable models. Other models in the same price range may offer comparable motor power, but they don't always match up in terms of build quality or user-friendly features. For example, similar models may not offer the same level of precision with speed adjustments or the same level of control during blending. In this price range, you're typically getting good performance with some compromises in durability or design. As for build quality and longevity, the ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender feels solid. It's made from quality materials that are designed to last, and the motor appears durable enough for regular use. There's no significant long-term data available on its reliability yet, But given the reputation of the Zwilling brand for producing durable kitchen tools, I'd expect this one to hold up well over time. If properly maintained, the motor and blades should last through many uses, but heavy or prolonged use on tough ingredients may show wear sooner than expected. Now, let's talk about customer support. I didn't have to reach out to Zwilling directly for any issues with the hand blender, but the brand does have a solid reputation for customer service. Based on my past interactions with the company for other products, I've found their support team to be responsive and helpful. So if you do run into any issues, you can likely expect a good level of assistance. Wrapping up, the ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender delivers a lot of what you'd expect from a premium hand blender. Solid performance, a sleek design, and thoughtful features like the Winglet blade and anti-splash technology. While it might not be the best option for heavy-duty tasks, it's more than capable for everyday blending. It offers good value for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use blender with a bit of extra flair. If you're looking for a durable, efficient blender that does the job well without causing a mess, the ZWILLING Enfinigy is a solid choice. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in picking up the ZWILLING Enfinigy HandBlender, you can find the link in the comments box below. If you already own one, or if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV. Stay blended.